Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options you want to select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the Sony logo, you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. This will redirect us to the recovery mode, which you can see right now. And in this mode you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down. So volume down will scroll down and up will go up. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, let's select Enter Fastboot, confirm it with our power button, and here is our Fastboot mode. Now we also have bootloader right here, which I believe will also take us to Fastboot mode, just one that doesn't have any kind of options like this one does. Now in this Fastboot mode we do have a Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Enter Recovery, which is the previous page, the bootloader, which is presumably another Fastboot mode, and power off. Now I'm going to select the first option, confirm it with the power button, and like I mentioned, this will reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.